hot. YouTubers, it's me, Kinghuman. Booyakasha. Been off of YouTube for a long time. I'm back. Booyakasha. And I'm going to help you make some dough. That was pretty extravagant. Okay, what's doing? I made over 176 bucks without even trying in less than 2 minutes with about 5 clicks of the mouse. I'm not joking. I want to turn you on to this. It's 100% free. This is solid. This is cool. When I found this the other day and I looked at what I had made, I was shocked. I was amazed. So here's the deal. It's going to be 100% free. It's going to be 100% easy. Anybody can do it. And the potential for making bigger money than I made is there. And the cool thing is, the money comes in you can do it over and over. Okay, it sounds too hypey. I don't like to sound hypey. This is something anybody can do. I'm going to give you the resource. You're going to go do it. I'm talking way too much. Okay, in a minute, I'm going to show you on my computer step by step how to do this. Very simple, very easy. There's a hack. I'm going to show you the hack. Before I get into it though, I want to say a couple of things. I've been off of YouTube for a long time. I'm coming back, if anybody cares. And if you watch this video and I give you some value in this video, here's what I would like for you to do for me in return. And that is comment, like, and share this video. I hate asking this crap. But YouTube has kind of taken me out of the algorithm because I haven't done YouTube videos for, what, a year now? I've had some issues. I'm over them. I'm coming back on YouTube. So I would appreciate your help in kind of boosting this video. Maximum respect if you do that. Next, there's a bunch of scammers going around, and in comments, they are commenting as me saying, hey, contact me via WhatsApp. That's, scam. Stay away from those shit weasels. They're scamming you. I will never contact you. I don't have WhatsApp. I'm not going to do that. And they're just going to ask you for money. Don't fall for it. They're scamming pieces of shit. All right. Enough said. All right, let's go into this. Check out my screen. Here we go. Booyakasha. You can do this.
All right, check this out. I'm on my Coinbase account. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. It's so easy. And I was going through here and look at all these little amounts I have in my account, right? 232, 98 cents, 97, 77, 70. This was all free, right? This was just free money. But then I scroll down here and 148.91 in a coin called the Graph. Now that was free too. All this little shit adds up, but this one went through the roof, and it literally took me maybe 3 minutes to get that free money, 148.91. Now in one click, I can take that money out and spend it on a nice dinner, whatever. But here's how you get this stuff for free. Come over here. First of all, open up a Coinbase account. It's free if you don't have one. And, here's a solid you can do. If you don't have an account, click the link below this video and use my link. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I think if you use my link, I'm not sure, you get $10 in crypto and I get $10 in crypto. Something like that. I don't know. It's not going to change my lifestyle. Yeah, you don't have to use my link if you don't want. It's just kind of a thanks. Anyway, come over here, see where it says Learning Rewards. Click on that. And now you can earn crypto for free. Like coming in here, look, this is going to pay you $1 in Nearcoin. Here's another $1. Here's another one. So that adds up to $3. Now that's what I did for that other coin that was like $100 and something. I did that a long time ago. I just came in here and I got one of these free coin drops by just taking a simple test. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. Now here's another one. Kava, another $3. Here's the graph. That's one that I've already done. And then AMP, that's what I did. It gave me $3. Anyway, you come in here and you come in here maybe once a month and you'll find these. Now let me show you how to do this. Get $1. You don't even have to, they want you to learn something and then take the quiz, right? I'm not even gonna learn anything. I'm just gonna click on take the quiz and I'm just gonna take a guess. Nope, that's not it. Okay, maybe that's it. Okay, next. Go on, get my next $1. Okay, is it this one? Nope, maybe it's this one. Yes, okay. See, you don't even have to learn any of this shit. Look, nope. Okay, I'll try that one. Nope. That one. Oh, it's the one on the top. Okay, so that just earned me $3 in this crypto coin called NEAR. Now, you're all saying, big deal, $3. That doesn't get me to retire in the Bahamas. No, it doesn't. But if that coin makes a surge, like that other coin I showed you, you know, I'm pretty sure that other coin, when I did this, I got like $3 for that other coin. You know, and now it's 150 something bucks, but it's free. So now I can go on to this other Kava. I think, is this the one I just did? I'm not sure. Okay, no, it's a new one. Okay, let's try the same thing. Yeah, it's at the top. Okay, take the quiz. Let's try again. Yeah, wow. Okay, take the quiz and there it is. I just made another $3. So I made $6 in these coins. But the thing you have to ask yourself is, what will these be worth in another 6 months, in another 8 months, whatever, right? Now, what I suggest you do is if these coins grow in value to a couple $100, take that couple $100 and invest it in something else that will grow and make you money. Now, having said that, I want to show you another thing that you can do that will make you money. And it's free. Check this out. Okay, this is my website, the University of Self-Empowerment, uofse.com. Be right up here, uofse.com, or thekinghumanelite.com. I'll put a link to it down in the description. But anyway, I'm going to give you free access to all of my trainings and tutorials that you can use to make money online. There's also a bunch of done-for-you businesses in a box that you can take and sell as your own business. You can put your name on it. You can slap your name on it. Here it is, these done-for-you products. You can slap your name on them and sell them and make money. The way to make money right now is to sell information. And most people tell me, well, I don't have any information to sell. I don't know what to teach. I don't know what to do. I've got it all done for you. You put your name on it, put it up on Gumroad, make money. And I teach you how to do that too. And then I also give you one-on-one private coaching if you need it for free. Here's the other thing, done for you profitable websites that are professionally crafted, and you can take them and flip them right now for a profit. Anyway, here's a video on some of these websites. You can come check this out for yourself. I'm not going to jam it down your throat. Do it, don't do it. What do I care? It's your life, you live it. But anyway, something for you to look into and think about. And if this is in your wheelhouse, go for it. All right, guys, get that free crypto and check in with me in about 6 months and tell me how you do.